Hello guys, welcome back to my channel the iTech creator. Guys, in this video I am going to repair this Havells torch light. You can see guys, this torch light is not charging. You can see here guys. So guys, I will repair now. Let's check. The AC power is 238. So guys, what is the problem? Now let's check. You can see here guys, this wire is disconnected. So I hope this is the problem. I will solder this wire. Solder this wire. You can see here guys. So now guys, let's check. You can see guys now. Now the torch is charging. You can see guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.